28th September, Thursday. God's power prevails. Who is this about whom I hear such things? An intriguing story is told about a man who purchased some goods from a store. Much to his surprise, when he got home, he found a silver coin inside the package. This moral dilemma caused quite a stir in his conscience as he decided to do the right thing. Yes, each of us at every moment has our conscience, that is the power of God speaking to us and leading us to the truth, which can't be silent. Do we listen to it, or do we silence its voice and allow our selfishness, guilt, and fear to cloud our minds and hearts? In today's Gospel, King Herod disregards his conscience in favor of power, pleasure, and possessions until he learns about the miracles and works of Jesus, a man whose wealth and power are incapably greater than his. He is stricken with guilt and shame. He was confused and unable to identify the man, so he inquired, "Who is he about whom I hear such things?" Perhaps perplexity inhibits us from recognizing who God, ourselves, and others are. And as a result, the fourfold relationship falls. Simultaneously, Haggai in the first reading urges us to consider our priorities when it comes to using our power and positions. We could become preoccupied with other things that could be a lesser significance and in the process overlook God's place in our lives. Are we doing this? Pray and practice. Let's pray that may God's power prevail over our perplexity, temptation, and all evils that defile us, and may we listen to His voice and do His will.